Alright guys, so right now I'm trying to do this as I'm trying to get me in the film now. Hi, how are you guys? So in today's unboxing video, I will be unboxing a sugarloaf Tweety bird that I got off from eBay. You guys ready to unbox it? Let's cut the tape off. What color Tweety? Take you guys vote. Put down in the comments. What color do you think the Tweety bird is? Are you guys ready? It is. Let me cut this a little more. There we go. It is. You guys ready? Sugarloaf green Tweety bird. I have been wanting the sugarloaf one for a very long time. I've been looking for it, and one person has it up for sale, but it's been so expensive. It's like almost 30 bucks for it, and I got this one for 10 or 15 bucks. I can't remember, but yeah, we finally got the sugarloaf green Tweety bird. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you like this video, give it a like. If you dislike, give it a dislike. If you're enjoyed, subscribe. Alright, see you guys in the next video. Peace!